Oh, hi there. I'm doing something that you probably thought I wasn't going to do. I'm putting the interior back into this car. That's not because I want to daily it over the winter, it's because it's sold. Genuinely, I'm in kind of two minds about whether I actually want to let this car go. But the right seller came along at the right time, happy to pay the right money, so all the stars aligned. Now, he's happy to keep it with the suspension upgrades and the brake upgrades. He didn't want the seat, so we're putting it completely back to standard. He may well do a rear seat delete at some point in the future, that's been discussed. But yeah, like I say, it's going back to essentially standard on the interior. Now, that isn't the end for me and the Ring. In fact, it's only the beginning. This car gave me the bug, definitely gave me the bug. And literally last night, another car came available on the market and I couldn't say no to it. Instantly rang the guy up, yeah, Bryn, no problem, it's yours. I'll see you on Wednesday. And then I get a text message straight afterwards. Bryn, loads of people are trying to get in touch with me. Loads of people are offering me above what the car's listed for. But don't worry, it's yours, I'll see you Wednesday. And I'll tell you what, this bloke's a real gent because honestly, I'm picking this new car up for a steal. Now, more on that in the next video. Today is about getting this one ready for the new owner. It's actually this guy's first Audi TT. So he watched my videos, knew that I knew what I was on about, messaged me asking, you know, have you got any for sale or do you know of any for sale? And I thought, this guy might like this car. So he came up, drove it, and honestly, the grin on his face instantly, I just knew that he wanted to buy it. So yeah, he's going to be really happy with it. Sam has decided that he likes the TT, he just doesn't like the livery. I'm really happy to see it go to him. I'm always a little bit nervous about selling cars because if anything goes wrong, you know, I'm held liable because there's no way that I could sell something with something wrong and not know about it. I'm a specialist. But yeah, with this, I've given it the best test that I can give it. I've abused it around the Nürburgring and it's come back and it's absolutely fine. So yeah, I'm confident that I can sell this car to him knowing that he's going to get plenty of enjoyment out of it with nothing to worry about. Anyway, right, I'm going to crack on putting this interior in and then, yeah, we'll rip the stickers off and let it go. So the car owes me less than I'm selling it for, which means that actually this sticker is irrelevant. So it can definitely be removed. Okay, now it's a financial mist. And that was it, the last drive, just to pop and get some fuel so that it wasn't on fumes. 20 quid later, and the needle really hasn't moved. It's quite annoying. Very expensive fuel these days. But yeah, like I say, sad to see it go, but Sam will be here in about half an hour and he'll be driving it away. So, car's all ready. Number 2 was left on there deliberately because he asked me to. He can always remove it if he doesn't like it. Most importantly, the toilet is gone. So yeah, just put some fuel in it, give it a quick scan, make sure everything's okay, all tickety-boo, before he drives it back down to Bristol area, I believe. So yeah, I'll be sad to see it go, but I'm really excited for what the future holds and for what I'll be able to do with the funds that I get from this one. I'm not just sort of saying that to tease and, oh look, it's just going to be another boring TT that I get. No, honestly, the next car that I'm buying is going to be very, very exciting. I think, yeah, this looks like him now coming to collect this car. So yeah, I'll put the phone away, we'll do our thing, and then yeah, we'll watch it drive off. So Sam's jumping into the beast. Big smile on his face, and yeah, just don't stall it.
I have to frighten myself shitless.
Yeah. Well, the toilet's gone now, so you can't. Yeah, been an absolute gentleman to deal with. Yeah, perfect transaction. He loves the car. No worries at all. Enjoy the drive. Cool. And I think my next car is here. Now, this isn't the next good car, This is just an MOT failure that I spotted on Facebook the other day and nabbed a bargain. Cheers, Latham, for picking that up.
No
What
worries,
the
mate.
heck is that? Oh, I've just finished removing decals. I don't want to remove more. Oh well, right, okay. Cool, right, let's get this unloaded in my unit and see if this is any good. This will, again, have its own video about it. Whether it's fixable, not fixable, we'll find out. So anyway, until the next video, I'll see you later. Cheers, guys.